In this video, you'll learn how to get read receipts in Gmail so you can see when people open your emails. We'll be using a work or school Gmail account for this tutorial, since read receipts aren't usually available in regular personal Gmail accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly where the option is, when to use it, and what to expect after you send your message. First, go ahead and open your Gmail account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with your work or school account provided by your organization, because that's where the read receipt feature is typically enabled. Once your inbox loads and you can see your emails, you're ready to compose a new message. Today, I'll show you how to set up a new email with a read receipt request. Start by clicking the Compose button. This is usually found in the upper left corner of your Gmail window. When you click it, a new message window will appear, usually in the bottom right area of the screen. Take a moment to fill in the basics of your email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject line that clearly describes your message, and type out the body of your email. Before you send it, you need to turn on the read receipt request. I'm going to walk you through how to find that option. Look at the bottom right corner of the Compose window where you see icons and options like formatting tools and attachments. There you'll see an icon or text for more options. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu. From that menu, look for the option labeled Request Read Receipt. Click on it once. You won't see a huge change to the message window, but Gmail has now marked this email so that it asks for a read receipt from the recipient. At this point, your email is ready to go. Now, just send your email as you normally would by clicking the send button. Once you do, Gmail delivers the message with the read receipt request attached. Depending on your organization's settings and the recipient's email client, the person receiving your email may see a prompt asking if they want to send a read receipt back to you. It's important to understand how this works behind the scenes. A read receipt isn't a guarantee that someone has actually read and understood your message. Instead, it usually confirms that the email was opened in their inbox. In many systems, the recipient can choose whether or not to send the receipt, so sometimes you might not get a notification, even if they did open the email. I'll show you the easiest way to interpret what happens next. After you send your email, keep an eye on your inbox. When a read receipt comes back, it often arrives as an automatic email letting you know that your message was opened along with the time it was viewed. This can be useful for important communications like project updates, approvals, or anything time sensitive where you need confirmation that it reached the right person. Use read receipts thoughtfully. In professional environments, they're best for critical messages rather than everyday conversations, since some people may find constant read requests intrusive. Always follow your organization's policies and any privacy guidelines they provide. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail with your work or school account, compose your message, click more options, choose request read receipt, and then send your email. With these simple steps, you can add an extra layer of confirmation to your most important communications.